Sports Cards, ripping a personal for Devin G. We've got two 2021 Bowman Draft Jumbos. All right, Devin, good luck and thank you. Again, no paper ships. Empty. Got green to 99 first in Carcion Strand. Brady House, Genesis. Kellington first, chrome, paper. And D-backs franchise futures. Painter first refractor. Paper. We've got Aqua first, Donta Williams. Aqua Lava. And first auto up for the Brewers, second baseman, Tyler Black. Tyler Black's going to be the first auto there for you, Devin. Muller first, Schwartz first, paper. Harry Ford, chrome. Genesis, Jackson Job. Ozzie Cato, first refractor. Botchman, first refractor. Paper. Hauser, first chrome. We've got first Ruben Ibarra. Pirates future franchise futures. Hoagland first, Panzini first refractors. Out of 199 or 499, Wes Kath first, White Sox. Joe Mack, Bryce Miller first refractor. Benny Montgomery first refractor, nice one there. We've got, nice, out of 199, Jordan Lawler, first Lava Auto. Boom! There you go, Devin. Nice hit. We pulled the Marcelo Meyer, one of these earlier. Now we've got the Lawler. Congrats on that, Devin. I will get that mag for you. Very nice. Congrats. Now we've got a Harry Ford first refractor. And Spikes first refractor. Nice pack there. Nice. Carson Williams, chrome. Red Sox franchise futures. Goodman first refractor. Paper. Norby first. We've got yellow. Poyu Chen, little color match there. Yellow Lava out of 75. And we've got Colson Cowser, first refractor. Carreras refractor. Paper. Henry Davis, chrome. Invicta, Jackson Job for the Tigers. Genesis, Carson Williams. Strand first refractor. Paper. Got blue first out of 150, Draylon Lively. Need to figure out how to say. We got Lawler chrome. Out of 99, Invicta Auto, Sal Frelick, Brew Crew. Nice Invicta Auto. That is 8 out of 99. First Invicta auto that I've pulled. Invicta Auto. Nice hit there. What a box here for you, Devin. Rhodes first chrome. Henry Davis draft nights. Jake Fox first refractor. All right, that will do it for the first box there, Henry. Give me 1 second to get these cards out of the way. We will keep on keeping on. All right, box 2. Very nice first box there. Empty. All right. Good luck. Box 2. Paper. Carson Williams, chrome. Genesis, Jordan Lawler. Jordan Lawler, first refractor. Donta Williams, first refractor. Paper. Paper. Henry Davis, first chrome. We've got Lava out of 199. Amador for the Rockies. Aqua Lava. Auto for the White Sox. Pitcher Sean Burke. Sean Burke. First Morales chrome refractor. Carson Williams chrome. Harry Ford Genesis. Mason Miller first refractor. Got Sky Blue Alexander Vargas. De La Rosa, Jose Torres first refractor. Paper. Joe Mack draft night. Beck first refractor. Valdez refractor. Paper. We've got first auto for the Reds. First baseman Ruben Ibarra out of 499. Nice refractor auto there. Genesis, Gunnar Hoglund. Gosween, first refractor. Paper. Is it Harrison Ford? Not really. Got Cooper Kinney, chrome. Speckle for the Dodgers, Diego Cartaya. Carter Jensen, first refractor. Jeter Downs refractor. Paper. Obviously didn't see what he hit out of the last box. The Jordan Lawler Lava Aqua. Beautiful auto there. Rhodes first. God, gold to 50. JJ Bleday for the Marlins. Nice one there. Chase Petty first refractor. Paper. All right, still looking for one more auto out of here for you, Devin. Benny Montgomery Chrome. Got Invicta, Austin Martin and his Twins uni. Genesis, Henry Davis. Castillo first refractor. Pineda. Paper. Orange auto. Ooh, that would be sweet. Oh, we've got a redemption. Class of 2021 autograph of Jaden Hill for the Rockies. Sounds like it's going to be class of 2021 autograph. Is that an insert auto? Jaden Hill from Bowman Draft. Got franchise futures, Orioles, Brennan Davis, Carrera, paper. All right, last pack here for you, Devin. All right. Henry Davis, Bowman Draft Night. Jaden Hill, first refractor. Hendricks refractor, and paper. All right, Devin, that'll do it for you. Congrats on those hits. Thanks again, and we'll get this right out to you.